Welcome to the introductory video of the MUSAE Factory Model pack. In this presentation, we will explore what the factory model is, the tools it offers, and why it's a valuable resource for companies and digital innovation hubs. Companies today face unprecedented challenges from sustainability pressures to digital transformation. To stay competitive, organizations need more than just advanced technology. They need an integrated collaborative approach that brings together diverse stakeholders and disciplines. Research shows that to navigate these transformations, companies must harness people creative attitudes to develop original and future-oriented solutions. Alongside critical and emotional intelligence, creativity is increasingly recognized as one of the most essential skills for the future of work. To unlock this creative potential, companies can benefit from incorporating artistic inputs into their traditional innovation processes. So, what if the art is the key to unlocking innovation for a more sustainable future? In times of uncertainty and rapid change, collaboration between artists and companies offers a powerful way to drive technological innovation with a critical, ethical, and human-centered approach. Artistic perspectives can spark unconventional and playful explorations of emerging technologies, while offering critical reflections on their societal value. With their abilities to stimulate critical thinking and unlock creativity, artists can support companies in rethinking problems in a creative environment, encouraging knowledge exchange and fostering meaningful transformation. But how can businesses systematically integrate artistic creativity into their innovation processes? That's where the MUSAE Factory Model comes in. The MUSAE Factory Model is a cutting-edge approach to help companies stay competitive in a rapidly evolving world by fostering artistic experimentation with exponential technologies. Developed primarily for European digital innovation hubs, the model enables companies, artists, and technologists to collaborate to tackle real-world challenges and design future-driven solutions that enhance both human well-being and planetary sustainability. At the heart of the factory model lies the Design Futures Art-Driven Method, or DFA method, a structured and innovative process that helps organizations in anticipating future trends, turning current challenges into future opportunities, and fostering sustainable and responsible innovation. You will find more on the DFA method in a dedicated video on the MUSAE website. The factory model, and so the DFA, was developed within the European project MUSAE, which focused on reimagining food systems through technological innovation for human and planetary health. The model was tested and applied on the topic of food as medicine, exploring three key trends: reducing carbon footprint in dietary habits, exploring the role of food in holistic well-being, rethinking the food supply chain for a more sustainable future. To make the model accessible to digital innovation hubs, we developed the Factory Model Pack, a complete set of open source methodologies, tools, guidelines designed to help organizations envision the future and co-create innovative sustainable solutions. The pack includes many case studies from the MUSAE experience, but it has been designed to support its application across any domain. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. The MUSAE Factory Model Pack provides key tools for digital innovation hubs to design and run effective art tech residency. It includes a residency format to structure the collaboration between artists, companies, and tech experts. An open call format supports the definition and management of calls to select artists for their art tech residency. and a dedicated mentoring and training format to ensure that both artists and companies receive the right support throughout the process. Alongside organizational tools, the pack includes key methodological components to help digital innovation hubs apply a future-oriented innovation process. At the core is the DFA method, offering a structured process for innovation that is future-oriented and creativity-driven. The method is available on a dedicated DFA platform and supported by a Miro workspace. The packing also includes a collection of use cases and project examples showcasing how future scenarios, concepts, and prototypes have been developed using this method. Another key component is the Integrated Stakeholder Network, a crucial resource for identifying and connecting the right actors. This open network brings together artists, SMEs, tech providers, and domain experts, such as those in food or health, who are open to future collaborations. It supports digital innovation hubs in building diverse interdisciplinary teams and promotes long-term relationships across sectors. The factory model pack is accessible via the interactive visual on the MUSAE website. Here you can explore the DFA platform that present and explain the DFA process and all the activities and creative tools designed to apply it. The guidelines for organizing art tech residencies, launching open calls, and organizing training activities. But also here you can access to case studies from the MUSE project to help digital innovation hubs and organizations to learn from the MUSE experience and apply the model in other specific domains. Within the MUSE project, two art tech residencies were organized to test the model and the DFA method, involving in total 23 artists and 11 SMEs. They closely collaborate to develop, in the first residency, 12 scenarios, which are stories, visions, narratives of sustainable futures in the food as medicine domain, enabled by emerging technologies. And 11 future-driven prototypes in the second residency, which are physical or digital products which explore the disruptive potential in the sector and imagine what could be delivered on the market in 5-10 years from now. On the DFA page of the MUSE website, you can explore the scenarios and prototypes in depth, discover the opportunities for companies, meet the artist, and see how the DFA method was applied. The MUSAE Factory Model is designed to accelerate digital and green transformation across sectors, unlocking new opportunities for both companies and creative professionals. It is especially tailored for European digital innovation hubs who can adopt and promote it within their networks to strengthen their role as innovation facilitators, to diversify their service offerings, to enhance tech adoption and expand their impact across industry, helping SMEs to grow. Are you a digital innovation hub ready to revolutionize innovation? Go to our website and apply for the MUSE label to join our network of future innovators who are using the factory model. By getting the label, you will access the Integrated Stakeholder Network, be certified to use the MUSE Factory Model, offer the factory model as a service to SMEs, and share use cases and best practices across your ecosystem. The MUSE Factory Model and PEC empower business, artists, and digital innovation hubs to co-create impactful, sustainable solutions for the future. Visit our website to explore the opportunities of the Factory PEC and take your first step toward building a more creative, sustainable, and future-ready world. Thank you.